Hello! So welcome to another spice-filled episode from the garnish series. Today we are going to be using the spice named cinnamon to make a beautiful candle. Now you could be using these candles alongside your floral arrangements that you generally make and place on your lunch or dinner tables. And when this candle comes along with your floral arrangement, they absolutely brighten up your dinner spaces and add a lot of spice to it. So stay tuned and keep watching.